In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. John chapter 16, verse 33.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. What God Will Do was written and read by Amy Boucher Pye.
John chapter 16, verses 31 through 33. Do you now believe? Jesus replied. A time is coming, and in fact has come, when you will be scattered, each to your own home. You will leave me all alone. Yet I am not alone, for my Father is with me. I have told you these things, so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. What God Will Do. During the Blitz on London on December 29, 1940, a bomb destroyed a warehouse near St. Paul's Cathedral. When Biddy Chambers received the news that all 40,000 copies of Oswald Chambers' books stored there were lost, which she had compiled and edited but not insured, she set down her teacup and remarked to her daughter, "Well, God has used the books for His glory, but now that is over. We'll wait and see what God will do now." Perhaps Biddy was remembering what her late husband, Oswald, had written at the start of the First World War. He noted how Jesus had spoken to his disciples about the inevitability of peril, so that when horrible things happened, they would not be scared because He was with them. Jesus told His friends, "In this world you will have trouble. But take heart, I have overcome the world." He wanted them to remain strong in their faith in His Father, so they could withstand the trials and challenges they would endure. Biddy's quiet confidence in God carried her through, and eventually the books were reprinted and became classics for generations. We too can find encouragement and hope in Jesus' promises that He has overcome the world. We know that He won't leave us and will give us peace, no matter what we face. Let's pray. Loving Jesus, thank You for the example of saints who have gone before us, such as Biddy and Oswald Chambers. Jesus, You have overcome the world. Help us to know what that means for us in our daily lives, that we might share Your love with others. Help us to know that You will never leave us, nor forsake us. We pray in Your precious and holy name. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How do you respond to Biddy's reaction when she heard the devastating news of the books burning? How could you follow her example of trusting God?
Auriural mother adra utum, mother adalbangel borayangad, adalbangela mo ulbang rakaragari rayangad, dit the blol toy, abol coriol, gira tritelal ngara utum. Akot, a other sel ngara utum leungil, emnemedu low but ticker ring, raro kuil ad, uldimukrar ad, dialungil at longalir. A adengilum e klul, orgadia imala ad, mal makatakatal nakakngitrak laad. Aad, amokoriol, rabal kilarangul, al kira utma, el murarang alkel, mar adra blil, marokuil adra utma. Ongerung, aad amokoriol, omsiungerra utma. Aad el sel ngara a utma, mleungil masyo ang alirak laad. Aad sel lobal tigereng, elungil masyo ang alira utma, en diakalodangay, ngol olter sel berrotel, el gululula rubakara utma. Sel mobile tigereng, emosyorar ad, en diakamodangay, ngol oltra ungir klik mramdala rubak legoragaw. Aw lebongel, lakadimorula soamarak laad, asoamel morula orbatarak laad, morula atim, atimul moru la sob aklaw, la sobalar aklal. Mauriuk tabasay, raklangar rakaw, ang mot miarangum, et miarangum ra atritelium ngara utum.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Spadela tulungal grasa aduy, kablilaw alyaw, ngurukwik labalilyaw. Tiasub da kamaldil, maamuduludaw, dalaltob da nga adal balu kalisto Joseph, Chaniyaw, ngirongor Doroteo Nakata, rakamsik surang alwip senior, rather talwang Charles Obiang, Oligong Lucio Hidemi, Teofanus Isamu, Risong Dennis Rungul, Marbaal Latagewang ngiramakur, El Morarokul adrilak mo, at Chanson Natsuo, El Ngalgelatkud, Amladrakwam, Emlamotrok Lakmaldile, El Moringida October 10, 2025, El Dingarabalurakwam. Aomuduludo, Del Mool Ngaser Tialgamaldil, Amlamotrok El Moringida Penthouse Hotel, Ra Wednesday, October 8, 2025, Ra 6:30 p.m., El Mo 8:30 p.m., Ra Kabasingay. Marmo Sabair, Ang Mayaw Lang Asawid El May. Madodak, el ngayar momray ra onge walurior el mortial kamaldira kwam. Magimsub darbek kal moklol av, ertial tulungal gal ngarababal dab, orior mayol dab, mamosub dar adad marngal, e may madagay nga sewel girel tial kamaldil. Ndirekal kmalbato ka alsang, marmodiakal sabarir el may, nkmaldiwngil basul, edidagalat karang lungu. Komsulang yarubakal Dios lobengeda rokuy. Signed, Adal Belu Kalisto Joseph, Chaniyaw, Ngirongor Doroteo Nakata, Rakamsik Surang Alwip Senior, Yadar Talwang Charles Obiang, Oligong Lucio Hidemi, Teofanus Isamu, Risong Dennis Rungul, Herbaal Tagewong Ngirmakur.
This is a public notice from the Bureau of Human Resources. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids or proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide services to the Bureau of Aviation in landscaping and maintenance of the Palau International Airport's exterior perimeter fence. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by local funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on October 15th, 2025. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. These specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of the specifications by contacting Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS-2025-58. Public notice is from September 30th, 2025 through October 14th, 2025. Bidding period is October 15th, 2025 through October 30th, 2025. Bid opening is October 31st, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmut, Malagyok. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org. Are you a leader with a vision for the sea? The Micronesian Shipping Commission, established by a treaty between the Federated States of Micronesia, the Republic of the Marshall Islands, and the Republic of Palau, is looking for a qualified individual to lead its Secretariat office in Pohnpei. We are seeking a director to oversee the daily operations and help regulate international commercial carriers in our region. This is a chance to play a crucial role in the movement of goods and the economic vitality of Micronesia. If you have a bachelor's degree in marine transportation or a BS or BA and at least 5 years of relevant work experience, we want to hear from you. The ideal candidate will be a strong communicator, a skilled analyst, and a dedicated professional ready to monitor shipping costs, analyze proposals from international carriers, and ensure compliance with the MSC Treaty. Your salary is negotiable based on your qualifications. To apply, please submit your resume, 2 letters of reference, a writing sample, and any professional awards or memberships to the Micronesian Shipping Commission. You can find our office on the ground floor of the Schonenberg Building in Colonia, Pohnpei, or send your application by mail to P.O. Box K-2786, Colonia, Pohnpei, FM 96941. For electronic submissions, please email msc@mail.fm for instructions. The deadline to apply is September 30th, 2025. Join us and help shape the future of commercial shipping in Micronesia.
Subdramal dil. Ja subdramal dil laulong ong tage warngil. Lotob dringa adar groy teruon na buo. I adri bugol kioni saal. Ni Kleb Alfonso Kumangay. Abbas Paul Uegi. Ni Ramariang Alexander Ramsig. Arurang Sakay ngir Ogbay. Tatpos Maluat Talay. Maongeti Wilspons Takava. Ratulungal Grakolbas. Rakablilaw El Giyukl. Rabalu Rabalilyaw. El Masub de Olngitar Adamamal nga Rababal Dab. Orior Yol Dab. Mo Akmal dile laulong ong tage warngil. Amlamot roko kulmongira Friday, October 10, 2025. Ra Santos Borja Chapel, El Ngara Palau Funeral Home, El Ngarangat Kib Ayray State, El Moyetaswel, Ve Mo Ura Olgul, El Momadakla. Mang ayang lagim subdarang algelam leru ulmi takawo mresabang, Rabaab Hans takawo, Marbebi Ringi, Marangalgela Skiwo, Rasiska Skiwo, Marbebi Ringi, Mamay Madaalim, Edray Ngasewer Tial Albul. Yamal gayo kagim subdar Chenevi, Ra Alba, masisinyo hidewo ewatl. Yang artmaw agim subdaran ngalgela diraklang ngir okbay, raperta ngir okbay, katsumi ngir okbay, katsuwe ngir okbay, mauduy ngir okbay. Agi direkal masubda daw dalil rungul masaharu, mamay madaalim edray ngasewer tial albul. Yang ramlunguy agim subdaran ngiradilub at tamiir mga South Junior, mamusubdaran ngalge may madaalim edray ngasewer tial albul. Agi direkal masubdaran ngalgela haim ngiramos, marangalgela Tony ngiramos. Ay mali kay gimsub de olngitra rol la simer, mamosub dar bebi rakaw marangal. Marangal gelamle dilerbay yosko ngira tumrang, rador siya sablan, marbebi ringi. Rangal gelambres bang oitrong rakat sumitayma, mabekal dil evacuota, marbebi rangmiu. Agi direkal masub dar rangal gelang iriyaw ringil, ra ebil gadoy, marbebi ringi. Hiray agimsub dra dirubay idub siksay, dira ay tinagi ulul, tulera oteo tasabal Takada, Wilson Takada, Wendell Takada, Warden Siksay, Masyeri Ngiraiwet, Mangalgela Ulong Tage Warngil, Ra Lora Ngil, Mangalgela Pastor Makogil Solomon, Ra Smirna Solomon. Agidirek Masub da Jackson Rangil, Mangalgela Chak Rangil, Ra Persila Rangil Tagesi, Mabilakare Rangil. Agidirek Masub da Rangalgela Tatpos Maluat Telay, Rangalgela Hasimet Telay, Rabaules Telay, Mausong Telay, Edirek Lolngit Rangalgela Tiana Talay, Ramadalin T-Max, Mamosub dar baby rakaw, may madray nga sewer tial albul. Oygul, lagim subdar ngalgela tangol ngiramyong, raraalul ga savior ngiramyong, agidirekal musubdar ngalgela ngir makul raksid, rangisela ayos. A oryo ragim subdar ob adra talbud, Luisa Peloy Sabino, marangalgel. Arangalgel am leulong ong rakamsik rangil, rangira Meriang Alexander rakamsik, Madiluang and Mary Otong, Mamosub dar ngal rangal ge may madalim edray nga sewertial albula. Agi direk kalmasub drawbad huana ngirata agi takataro marangalgel. E olngit mo sub darangalgel ay tab ngirata agi Rawilbur Olu Williams marbevi ringi. Marangalgela mengirarwa Bintorio maru ranginata agi may madalim edray nga sewertial albula. O sisiulsub drakmal dile lawlong tageworngil amoratyorang rideb dil ekalbay Linda Pedro Yob Beverly Uldak ngiraramyang Wilma Kumangay Leilani Pedro En Lati Pedro Gloria Kumangay Kailang Joy Rasmul Victor Kumangay Williamson Isaal Williana Isaal Tilsub Paloy Omgilum Paloy Ngirailals Paloy Natalie Matsuoka Lori Saburo Derbey Ramot Lati Eugene Sikyang Chin Kel Kadwin Koichi Deborah Ngiraingas Delor Yosiwo Torin Yosiwo Nelson Sishor Maharvi Sishor Agi direk kalmusub dra ebil rayong lulay otob maebil abas patildes olaol mamusub dra bebi ragmi marangal eme madaalim edakay nga sewertial albul Agi direk kalmusub dra ngalgel amle adar groy Jacinto Isaal ra ebil rabong Joy si Isaal Sali Roy Sibuil Joy si Isaal Malu si Isaal mamusub dra ngal eme madaalim edakay nga sew o sisigulsub dra mora Edith Deblebot Mangiratarang Kyota Rangalgela Martin Isaal Rawiliana Isaal Mawilliam Isaal Rangalgela Asako Nakata Ratina Nakata Natsue Obakarbaw Natsko Nakata Florence Nakata Steve Nakata Ramas Nakata Malayon Mangloy Mamosub Darangal May Madaalim Medray nga sewertial alabula Agi direk kolongit ra omgat ramokot Mamosub Darangal nga maradad May Madaalim Medray nga sewertial alabula Yablilyo agim subdra bilong masya okava, takako masaharu, Dolores Gabrol, matulik Jack Ngasang, Yosko Ngirageth, Kayoko Irul, Norita Mabel, Vivi Ichiro, Hasumi Nobuo, Bernie Cruz, Chastity Ngirageth, Lorraine Hilbert, Narita Smau, Joe Ngertu Nobuo, Luis Ngirageth, Van Harusi, Alduk Lokwachelin. Agidirek kalmasub drangir ngatpak, Nambert Napoleon, Andres Napoleon, Obakalol Peter Napoleon, Hayes Gahuwe, Ferlin Nambert, Maika Mareb, Henry Yosiwo, Maquin Sitkel. Agi oltur ge olngitra kang itsuaw, malmean ngalgem ragins, marbebi ringi, magim alim, magim gay nga sewertial albula. Ya osisiw longit, amura oitrong, malmean ngalgem, magim alim, magim gay nga sewertial albula. Agi direk kalmasub daw Elbil Moniga Ichiro, marbebi ringi. Agi direk kalmasub daw Pik James ngira adeng, maudal adro sa lindam resabang, malosub darangal gara ngasilyong, elamay madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Agi direk kalmasub da Raver Smul, marbebi ringi. O sisiulsub da mora Marirey Blunt, mamay madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Yato kubet silspadam, amora turang maat, lali kay Gibbons, malosub darangal gara ngariers, el ngarabalilyo maorior, may madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Yang ayaw ragim sub darangal gelamli of adal telbudla, el diraror blorang isamu, rateofanus isamu, masabet isamu, mamosub dar bebi ragmiw, may madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Kompmal masaula, edolmol malolngit rarubakal Dios, malomakal tangat tergida rokwi. Signed, Adargaroy Teruo Nobuo. O sisiulsub drakmaldil maomanggavel plans, rawlongong tageworngil. Laltob niya rangem Sebastian Andreas, Delegate Sebastian Marino, ngir Oteot Eliayaw, Yaad Spuns Takava, ngir Bang Al Benjamin Avelbay. El masub dragmiwal dagawad, logi watyula develil, el ngaraygal balu rababal daw, mayol daw, rakamaldile lawlongong tageworngil. Ngaruba kamlamosme, riakamaldil, maomanggavel plans, amlamot taro kalmorngi Palau Funeral Chapel, el ngarangat Cape Hamlet, rabalu rayray, ra October 10, 2025, el Friday, o ngay malurior. Makamaldi la umura 9:30 AM ratutaw, at 12:30 PM el momadak karang rulwobla. Agik malolnit mo main bodadak edang sutirar ngalgel marbebi ringi artial gamaldilel. Hindi ka ngalyok maalungol magardi mo kaltmokal girela kamaldil maomanggavel blals. Ngar along agim subadra siska bleso klolad marangalgem. Rangalgel amle adalbayra payong ngir amat troli radawait ngir amat maoodam ra Nudak ngir amat ngiramatur marbebi rakamiu. Rangalgel marbebi ramle ngiraurel da Tobias agwon, ngas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Mangiwala gim sub draw eldigas naway daong, mamgas pasub da load. Iblug trumen ngirmang, mamulngitange surarangal graw aspay. Sereng tulob wasisang, marudamra Justino masaksay, maantero boysek. Smi Juana Nestor, marbebi rakaw. Ngas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Ng esara gimsub da ngalgela makarti ko taro. Ngas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Iraya gimsub da ngalgela ngirgiklang taryong sawa sa makayong. Mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela daladra ira alasali adalbay. Mamgas pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela mlengirage dromant matuula. Raru rat agi malwert matuula. Mariwang uelt matuula. Ngas pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela mler other talwang Baules sa along, ra Senate President Hokons Baules, mamgas pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Ebil raklay moded Baules sa marangalgel. Rangalgel agi kreldil gegi anson. Ngirage Robert Ngirbalgu, marbebi rakaw. Kliw ngirgiklang gang it, former President Johnson Toribio, Spies Valentino ngirgiklang, rangalgelam leyaw Daniel ngirokobay, puig Spies Chairman Daniel, Rahel Gatabangang marangalgel, rangalgela Pastor Mukogil Solomon, other Eduk Francis Toribio, Rabong Raidung Yoel Toribio, o bakaradapkar Clarence Kitalong, rangalgela Vayeng Higasakas, Marigold Yob, Kikrel Taadib Timothy Ngirdimaw, Dira Maring Lidub T6A marangalgel, Dira ay Tinagi Walul, Badul Malwat Talay marangalgem, Tulay Sabal Takada. Ngaramlunguy agi olngi terkawal ngira sibong lakyus malsol, maodam ramayreng malsol, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela raaged sulyal, rungul ramuwang William ngiray galaw marbebi rakaw. Rangalgela France ngira makati radilyaw mangira makati France, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Ngatbang agim subdra rideb o kadati itong, mamgas pasub de load may madakay nga sew. Rigel rablu marangalgem, ening klol ad marangalgem, hasinta ngitong marbebi rakaw, rangalgelam lew eldig sa alab da rablu da, maalin sa ngirumarang ngirage da marangalgem, ngas pasub dar ada da marangal, may madakay nga sewer tial alabula. Imliga, agi oltur kakawal, kalaw, sermong, maremar, tamir mang South Junior, magimoltur kakamiw, elmearigel kwal, mal nga sukumam. Oryo ragim subdra odalad agemi Anderson marangalgel, rayong Benjamin Yob, Vingalius Moses Yob, Isaul ramangasaw, kamaitatong madil marangalgem magim gay nga sewer tial albula. Alayos yaw, kadira kalmaitatong madil marangalgem magim gay nga sewer tial albula. Dilwang amray Baules, odalad tutog nilalmaw marbebi rakaw, adalbay rangatibang Ephraim ngira ite, mosub darbebi rakaw. Teodosia yu Patrick, Josephine ulong-ong ngiraboy, mga pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Serafina de Balbot Sato marangalgem, rangalgela aleduy o malyak, lamgas pasub da may madakay nga sew. Saryang Olaw Warswig marangalgel, rangalgela Orengs Pedro, Sarah Conway Skev, rangalgela Sunday Lek, mga pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgelam ledladra ilong isaol, maalin sato marangalgem, Deborah Toribiong, Rodian Toribiong Smus, Nanumi Toribiong, Chewino Ermas, Rosemary Joseph, Marirey Blunt, rangalgela Tiana Talay Rubas, rangalgela Hasime Talay, rangalgela Carmelong Ralul, Gradeliget Mangur, Marbebi Rakmiw, rangalgela Rium, Rarulib Anghenino, Veronica Ngiraybay, Mafermina Isida, Sheila Sakuma marbebi rakaw, Apolonia Siprit Augustin, mga pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Rangalgela Hiromir Dial, rangalgela Katsue Sali Kaldung, Rawanita Obiang marbebi rakaw, Rosang Kyosi Andrew, mga pasub da load may madakay nga sewer tial albula. Diratnge Rose Masubada, Speaker Rakoro State Legislature UL sa awas sa Marangalgiw, ngira Meriang Alexander Rakamsig Marangalgel, Alexis Rakamsig Marangalgel, Pastor Balgu Sandario, ngir Oteot Eliaya Marbebi Rakaw, Buik Pelaw Bung Ngirangasil, Rangalgelam lerungul, UL o Ibs Armidal, William Siprit Marbebirakaw, Ngaspasub de may madakay nga sewer tial alabula. Palilyo, agim sub rangalgela kalib, Rakoseba, Mainarya, Maradadra Tula de Delil. Rangalgelam le UL Ol, Kaiteng Madris, Ngaspasub dar adad may madakay nga sewer tial alabula. Tirigel mo da kalabas ang clear, dengel mo kadgaw erong si tial sub rakamil dile laulang ong tagewor ngil, Ngaspasub de may madang sutri rangalgel marbebi ringi, tial ulbong lal alsungulang galrubak. Makmaldil maomang kadalblal sa di moringira Friday, ongay melurior, October 10, 2025, elomu ra 9:30 a.m., Yabaldog laktuab dara 12:30 p.m. Elmomadakang rulwob la ayray. Aomungul la maklapkal la maodang sa murado madal Dios el ngia omakngal tangat sa akargi dara bekal sils. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Yaad Spoons Takava.
Tial subadal mula reng stringi at yakal spadel mat yakal tigingel malub engul deswel at Yes Broadcasting Company tiang aspadirar at lulul top dengi haraorngi kohmal masulang.
Yasub dramaldi lotto dengi ibadul James Libu Littler mabilong Gloria Chisali. Agim sudar adama malgida las arela chanston et pisong el ngalgela manase et pisong. Amanase ang ngalgela ngariut matalab elulungal garingi matawi el mlesum raidid. Amaldi la moringira Friday October 10, 2025 el di moringira bli la manase raidid hang emomadakra olgul raidid rangar bodl. Magim sudar gal tulig maebil tulig mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar gal di rayrung Dr. Siskaso Alada mosubdar baby ragaw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar gal yadra darbe Ignatius ngirmeril, madil yad chudi ngirmeril, mosubdar baby ragmiw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi masubdar gal rimu Dominigang Wariakla, maadalbar gasoal, mar adasom la Tony Adalbay, mosubdar bekal ad marangal ga may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar gaw li adar amay el yayob, mau el bil ragum sekundina senna asuma, mosubdar baby ragmiw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar sa along Sano Sebal, madil sa along Gloria Warswick, mosubdar ngal may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar gaw over there Dr. Patrick Talay maen land, mosubdar bekal ngal may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar gaw ebil Hermana Umetaro, ma Wycliffe Amul, ma Elaine Andreas, ma Emi Madraisaw, mosubdar adad may madaalim edgay ngasew. O sisulsub da mora edol igardew, ma eryong ngiray lamsang, mosubdar baby ragmiw may madagay ngasew. Kidirek el masubdar Herman Omelaw, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Kidirek el masubdar ngalgelang odri, wadal adra rabaw, Ines Santos, mosubdar ngalgem, o sisulsub da mora Marcela Santos, ma Marcelino Santos, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek el masubdar gal Rosemary Marsay, mosubdar baby ragaw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Kidirek el masubdar gawal ngira erang Satoru Adachi masandi Toribyong, mosubdar baby ragmiw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi masubdar gawal dir mangyaw Yoko Woodcock, mosubdar baby ragaw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Kidirek el masubdar gawal Sabrina Osilek, mosubdar ngal may madaalim edgay ngasew. Kidirek el masubdar gawal Atanasya Ngiraloy, maanchi Ngiraloy, magisawl Ngiraloy, mosubdar baby ragmiw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agi direk el masubdar ngir etet Norbert Yano, matmigo Grace Yano, mosubdar bekal ngal may madaalim edgay ngasew. O sisiulsub da mura Senator Hocons Baules, madiduoy Amra Baules. Agi direk el masubdar gawal ngir ongor Doroteo, Kalaw Sinchi, madilikleb Anemari Solang, mosubdar adad may madaalim edgay ngasew. Kidirek el masubdar gawal diray galaw Lali Gibbons, mangikleb Alphonse Kumangay, may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek el masubdar Uelsya Shalom et Pisong, mosubdar baby ragaw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek el masubdar gawal Esther Kosiba, mosubdar baby ragaw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek el masubdar gawal Lucy Matsutaro, mamaseb Salvador Ramot, Madoris Malsol, mosubdar baby ragmiw may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek el masubdar Jennifer Coscalin Gibbons, mosubdar ngalgela Nano Talay may madaalim edgay ngasew. Agidirek el masubdar gal taagi Roy N. Sali, ngirayol did Hussein Derbay, masum ueryang thereby, ruurat agi kirk thereby, klotraul ongor thereby, matwila thereby, maeni thereby. O sisilsub na morakayuk chay olgaril, rimu dominika ngoriakla, madiribu ol miriamig saal, macholin ngoriakla. O sisilsub na morangalge lamlay padul Yutaka Gibbons, Rasam Scott, Jim Scott, Delegate Yutaka Gibbons Jr., Genny Raklay, ilang algay Gibbons, mga yangs Gibbons. O sisilsub na morakolin Gibbons, mapasilius Gibbons. Kultur gagims padaw, elngir mga the Dr. Victoriano, mosub dar baby rakaw. Agidirekal masub darakaw adalbayra tang alensid, ma adalbayra irikl, el clensid. Ma Pearl Marumoto, mosub dar baby rakamiw, may madaalim edray ngasew. Agidirekal masub dar dingalius Eugene Uehara, ma Martina, may galaw. Mosub dar baby rakamiw, may madaalim edray ngasew. Agidirekal masub dar ngal grangit edong, rangirut tangali Matthew masubda, mangiraw elbang edi smus, madira dalbo el Benita masubda, mosubda arbekal ngal ga may madaalim edray ngasew. Kidirekal masubda gaul odray ilek iskawa, mauel masubda saka, mosubda adad may madaalim edray ngasew. Kidirekal masubda gaul Apolonia Siprit, mosubda baby ragaw may madaalim edray ngasew. Agidirekal masubda ngalgela gubari, radil subda Isidoro, mosubda baby ragamiw may madaalim edray ngasew. Agidirekal masubda gaul obak ramyun sa teruor ngulbay, maobadal talbudl, Mayumi Sinosuka, mosubdra ngal gram daliwal, may madaalim edray ngasew. Agidirekal masubdra taadib kalistu si ilus, mawadal adre na ilus, may madaalim edray ngasew. Agidirekal masubdra gal Victoria Kanay, Madave or Rugm, may madaalim edray ngasew. Tagubet sal spadela ibadul mabilung, amoray geth shalom et pisong, el girela kodalelang algela manase, el chanston et pisong. Kompmal masulang, ya Dios lamakal tangatergi Rockaway. Ibadul James Libu Littler, Bilung Gloria Chi Sally.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Gurmid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali ngariya malor udu subde de gatemem mun mera radio station mada gulngit mamay im sugaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw e waisen mukfungomur oingrang e momrekor oingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringil either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub be sendringi loya ka email en mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice e sendringi le porkau e auriul ega meharau ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maloba nganya harmam raspedem e aki call segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek kimru raspedem ko mal mesulang. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7.
Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oisine. What do you mean, oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. A Karakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
The White House says it's for safety. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. But the administration is being sued again over President Trump's use of National Guard troops, the latest challenge from Chicago's mayor and Illinois' governor.
Governor Pritzker laid out what he called President Donald Trump's playbook for sending troops to Chicago, not just from Illinois, but
hundreds of National Guard members from Texas. And he has ordered them to activate for duty in Illinois.
Pritzker said there's no need.
There is no invasion here. There is no insurrection here.
Illinois Attorney General Kwame Raoul said they've argued for a federal order to stop those troops from arriving
from the state of Texas or anywhere else.
White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt justified the president's action Monday, calling local leaders ineffective in securing their own cities.
Fox's Gernal Scott. The White House also says troops are needed to help protect immigration enforcement facilities. The mayor of Broadview, a Chicago suburb, now limiting protests to daytime hours.
Chicago's mayor has also ordered no-go zones for police that are barred by local and state laws from assisting federal agents, are making it clear.
Police officers, if it involves law enforcement, we are going to show up.
CPD Superintendent Larry Snelling making his case that officers did respond to violent attacks on federal agents this weekend.
Fox's Jeff Manasso in Chicago. President Trump just telling reporters,
we're going to make Chicago really great again, and we're going to stop this crime. Then we're going to go to another one, and we're going to go city by city. We're going to have safe cities.
He is also not ruling out invoking the Insurrection Act. The president also just said he's willing to make a deal with Democrats on health care subsidies. This as the Senate prepares to vote again on short-term spending to end a government shutdown. America is listening to Fox News. Soon, as Israeli and Palestinian negotiators hold indirect talks in Egypt on a 20-point U.S. plan, focusing first on releasing remaining hostages.
Hamas is reportedly trying to find the living hostages, some of whom are in underground tunnels where they have been starved and forced to dig their own graves, and to unearth the corpses of those who are already dead. Israel, in exchange, will release 250 Palestinian prisoners serving life sentences here in Israel, and 1,700 others captured since October 7th, including women and teenagers. For every dead Israeli hostage, Israel will return 15 dead Palestinian prisoners. The harder issues of disarmament and withdrawal will have to wait.
Fox's Jennifer Griffin in Tel Aviv. Qatar, Egypt, and Turkey are part of the talks, along with U.S. envoy Steve Witkoff and Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner. The Federal Communications Commission plans to vote this month on tightening restrictions of equipment made by more Chinese companies deemed national security risks. Several Chinese companies, including Huawei and ZTE, are already on the so-called covered list, which bars the FCC from authorizing new equipment for import or sale. A popular British writer has died.
Tributes are coming in for Dame Jilly Cooper, the British journalist and author of 18 novels, including those in her long-running, sometimes raunchy, Rutshire Chronicle series. One of her best-known books, period drama Rivals. It was adapted by TV for Disney Plus and premiered last year. Cooper's friend, England's Queen Camilla, writing, very few writers get to be a legend in their own lifetime, but Jilly was one. May her hereafter be filled with impossibly handsome men and devoted dogs.
Fox's Lillian Wu. Jilly Cooper was 88. Two highs on Wall Street for both the S&P and the NASDAQ. The Dow dropped 63 points. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.